welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off notifications on Thread. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn off notifications on Thread, all you can do is simply go to your settings as well, and there you can tap on sound notifications. Now in your notification you can select app notifications and simply scroll down below. Once you simply scroll down below, you can go and find Threads there. Once you tap on Threads, if you're going to toggle the button to the right hand side, then the notifications on Thread will be turned on. But if you're going to put your button or the toggle to the left hand side, it will be turned off on Threads. So by doing this, you can simply turn off notifications on your thread without any hassle. You can also mute specific post notification by tapping on the three dots menu on post and selecting mute. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.